Hello, my dear students. Welcome again. This is Miss May Badr, your English teacher. We will continue studying Connect 4. Today, we are going to study Review 2, Lesson 1. Please make sure that you bring your books to all our sessions. You should also bring along some paper and a pen. That's all you need to enjoy our lessons together. So, let's begin. Tell me, what do you remember about Units 4, 5, and 6? I want you to think deeply. We will revise things that we studied throughout these 3 units. I want you to look at the pictures in page 130. Page 130. Let's look together. Exercise number 1 says, read and play a memory game. النهاردة هنلعب لعبة memory, لعبة الذاكرة. Number 1, draw the table in your notebook. Table هو اللي موجود قصادنا ده. From number 1 to number 15. بنسميه table. Number 2, look at the pictures for 1 minute. هناخد دقيقة واحدة نبص على كل البيكتشرز اللي موجودة دي. Number 3, close your books. ما ينفعش ان احنا نبص في الكتاب. Number 4, write or draw as many of the words as you can. احنا رسمنا التيبل بتاعنا في النوت بوك بتاعتنا. هنحاول نفتكر الكلمات اللي موجودة ونرسمها او نكتبها في النوت بوك بتاعتنا من غير ما نبص في الكتاب. Number 5, check with your partner. يعني بعد ما هخلص هتشيك my answer with my partner. Okay, so I want you to concentrate. Very good, my dear boys and girls. You are really super. Now in exercise number 2, we are going to look again at the table and we are going to write under each picture the correct word. So let's do it together. Number 1, what is it? It's a kitchen. Very good. So let's write together the word kitchen. Number 2, what is it? Builder. Very good. So number 2, builder. So let's write builder. Number 3, what is it? Tent. Super. So let's write tent. Number 4, garbage collector. Excellent. So let's write it together. Garbage collector. Okay, number 5, it's a room in the house. Which room is it? Bedroom. Excellent. And it's one word. So let's write it together. Bed room. Number 6, the one who fixes the pipes, anything related to water. Who is it? A plumber. Very good. Number 7, a part that we find in the wall and we put the plug in. What is it? Socket. Very good. And number 8 is lightning. Very good. Lightning. Okay. Number 9 is another room in the house. Number 9 is living room. But it's not one word. These are 2 words. So living and then room. Number 10, what is it? Balcony. Very good. So let's write it together. balcony. Number 11, the one who fixes the cars. Who is he? Who fixes the cars? Very good, the mechanic. So let's write together mechanic. This is C, okay? Okay. Number 12, another room in the house. It's very important. Bathroom, excellent. Is it one word or two words? One word, so bathroom. Number 13, something related to energy. The energy we gain from the sun, so it's a solar energy. Very good, so solar energy. Number 14, what is it? We all live in it, I think, so it's an apartment. Very good. Apartment. How about the last one? Another source of energy. It's made by the wind, so wind energy. Very good. So wind energy. To check our answers, we need to listen to the audio in exercise number 3. So let's listen and point at the pictures.
Review 2, Lesson 1, page 130. Exercise 3. Listen and point. 1.
Kitchen.
2.
Builder.
3.
Tent.
4.
Garbage collector.
5.
Bedroom.
6.
Plumber.
7.
Socket.
8.
Lightning.
9.
Living room.
10.
Balcony.
11.
Mechanic.
12.
Bathroom.
13.
Solar energy.
14.
Apartment.
15.
Wind energy.
Now let's open together page 131. Page 131, we need to look at the map in exercise number 4. So this is the map in exercise number 4. Exercise number 4 says, look and correct the sentences. So the sentences from 1 to 4 are wrong, and we need to look at the map in order to correct the sentences. So let's look at sentence number 1. Number 1 says, the hospital is between the school. قلنا كلمة between يعني ما بين، وعلشان أقول ما بين يبقى لازم تكون ما بين حاجتين. هنا الهوسبيتال بين السكول. Of course not. So how to correct this sentence? The hospital is next to the school. Very good. يعني إيه next to؟ يعني جنبها. Let's write it together. The hospital is next to the school. Okay? يبقى هي not between. The hospital is next to the school. يعني هي جنب السكول. Let's look at number 2. Number 2 says the school is next to the museum. Do you remember the word museum? يعني ايه museum؟ يعني متحف. طيب. The school is next to the museum. Here is the school and the museum is on the opposite side. The school is next to the hospital, not the museum. So let's write this down. The school is next to the hospital. Number 3 says the park is under the shopping mall. مفيش حاجة اسمها under، يعني هتكون under زي shopping mall. So let's look at the map. The park is whether it's opposite to or opposite the shopping mall or behind the shopping mall. So which one do you think? Let's say it's behind the shopping mall. So number 3 will be the park. The park is behind the shopping mall. يعني ايه كلمة behind؟ يعني وراه. و opposite يعني the other side, on the other side. Let's look at number 4. Number 4 says the supermarket is behind the school. السوبرماركت ورا المدرسة. لو كان هيكون ورا المدرسة كان هيبقى هنا في الجزء ده. So the supermarket is not behind the school. The supermarket is opposite the school. يعني ايه opposite؟ يعني on the other side. Okay, so let's write it down. The supermarket is opposite the school. Very good, my dear boys and girls. And as I always say, we have to look at the punctuation, the capitalization of our sentences. يعني ايه punctuation? I have to put full stop at the end of my sentence. يعني ايه capitalization؟ يعني لازم ابتدي بcapital letter. Hi. Now write 3 more sentences about the map. So I want you to think, look at the map again, and try to write 3 more sentences about it. Not like these sentences. So try to be creative and make sure that you use the prepositions correctly. So, for example, we can say the office is next to the post office. So let's write it together. The office is next to the post office. Okay, number 2, you can say, for example, the shopping mall is between the museum and the supermarket. Very good. Number 3, you can say, the shopping mall is opposite to the school or opposite the school. Number 6, we will listen to an audio. And I want you to listen carefully to the directions. And you are going to write the start and the finish. Make sure that you look at the map in exercise number 4. So let's listen to the audio together.
Review 2, Lesson 1, page 131. Exercise 6. Listen. Write the start and finish. 1.
Go straight ahead. Keep going. Go past the post office. It's on the left.
2.
Go straight ahead. Turn left. Go past the school. It's on the right.
3.
Walk past the post office and turn right. The entrance is on the left, on Green Street.
So, number 1, the start was Green Street. Do you remember the finish point? Hospital. Very good. So, let's write it together. Hospital. Number 2, what was the start point? Hospital, supermarket, and the finish point was the office. So, let's write together hospital / supermarket. Okay, number 3. The start point was office or museum. Very good, both are correct. So let's write office / museum. And the finish one was the school. Very good. So let's revise one more time. Number 1, the start Green Street, the finish hospital. Number 2, the start could be the hospital or the supermarket, so we put a slash between them. Okay, and the finish is the office. Number 3, the start, the office or the museum, and the finish is the school. So we have finished page 131. Today we revised their prepositions. تعالوا نفتكر مع بعض يعني ايه prepositions. Prepositions are words that are helping us to show or to know a position of something or a place of something. Prepositions هي الكلمات اللي بتوضح لنا أماكن الحاجة. For example, here in the map, we have many prepositions to describe our map. Like, for example, as we said, the hospital is next to the school. يعني إيه next to؟ Next to يعني جنبها. طب لو أنا هقول لكم the hospital is next to the school, where is the preposition? The preposition is next to. Very good. If I'm going to talk about number 3, and I will say the park is behind the shopping mall, where is the preposition? Behind. Very good. يعني إيه behind؟ يعني وراه. Number 4, the supermarket is opposite the school. يعني إيه opposite؟ يعني on the other side, and opposite is the preposition. Very good. Right. Here, as we said, you are going to look at the map and you are going to remember all the prepositions we learned during this year. I am very proud of you. You really did well today. In our next lesson, you will look at some other jobs and tools needed in them. المرة الجاية هنتكلم عن الوظائف وعن الأدوات اللي كل وظيفة بتحتاجها. We are going to have loads of fun as usual. See you next time. Bye bye.